Whichever. Excuse me. Yes, please come close. I want to ask you something. Don't be angry, eh? I just want to ask you a question. Who are you? It's understandable I recognize the faces of these other people, but you, I'm not quite familiar with this face. You know, we are very careful when we see people so that we know who is who. Yes, I'm an elder statesman, so I have to be careful of who I see on the road. Yes.
My name is Nkoli, Ijoma's daughter, Richard's auntie.
Hey! Hey! Ijoma, my own in-law? Hey! Okuna fugo mira wala maya. Hey! I can see you are going to somewhere. Maybe you have been sent on errand.
Yes, it's obvious. I'm going to somewhere.
Oh, you are going to somewhere. Hey, wait. Please see me well. See me well. Yes.
She will hear.
Yes, she will hear. Yes. Hey. It's all right. Maybe if I say this land, I will entice her. I can spend my money on her.
This is the biggest mistake of my life. God, please forgive me.
Oh my God!
Hey, how are you? That's you fresh.
Security guy, right? Yes.
Get the stuff on the road.
I remember talking to him like twice. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes.
Wow.
I hope you don't sleep at night.
God.
You're a proper security man. You know these security guys, they say they're security, but they sleep at night.
No, he works.
He works, don't worry. We have enough gadgets to take care of ourselves.
It's good to have you back, bro.
Same here, bro. Same here. Look at you. That is so great, man.
Well, I was actually taking care of the house,
bro. I know. I hope you have yourself a woman now properly, yeah? No. I mean, your age, really.
I'll give you an answer.
No, you have to give me an answer. You have to talk about your woman. Really, you have to talk about... Wifey! My baby.
The queen is here.
My baby. Baby.
Look at you look good.
Yeah, you look sexy.
Okay, good to have you back.
My wifey. Wifey. Oh, my dear.
Come here.
I'm not coming.
Nkori, Asim, come here.
Abuchi, leave me alone. I am not coming. Leave me alone. Go and fight your mate outside. Abuchi, leave me alone. No.
Nkori, na ngwambo. Asim, you should come here.
I am not coming. Abuchi.
Nkori, where is my own share of the bread Mama left for us this morning before going to the market?
Are you asking me? Do I know what happened to the bread? I only ate my own share and left the remaining. Why are you asking me?
You lie. You are lying in this house. Nkori, na ngwambo. Eat man warana ni ekwa. Eh? Nkori, where is my bread?
Abuchi, leave me alone. I don't know where the bread is.
I am talking, you are still talking.
Yoruba. Test and see. Biakwa rice and beans nkoko.
Come and buy your own. Aboko bukita onashi mama nkoli lechego. Hey. Rice nka akare. Abakaliki rice dia. Foreign rice dia. Basmati rice dia nko obu na icho. Ofe akwu. Ofe stew.
Jidukwu ya ja Abakaliki. Test and see. Come and buy your rice. Your rice. Your rice.
Ofe stew. Vegetable. And ma be a very rebel. Masala. Come and buy your own. Oboko wakiti sipu man call you lechekwe rice or gwahogi. Test and see.
Mama, it's not Abuchi that beats me.
Abuchi beat you. Abuchi.
Mama, no.
No. I am asking you a question. I'm not asking no. Abuchi, why did you beat your sister?
Mama, you see Nkoli? One this Nkoli. One Nkoli, I'm not her mate.
I am asking you something and you're warning me. I should warn Nkoli. What did your sister did to you that made you to beat her?
Mama, can you imagine Nkoli? Eh? Nkoli now has morale to eat my own portion of bread you left for us before going to the market in the morning.
Hey, Asiocha! Abuchi, you can lie! Mama, I did not eat Abuchi's bread though. I just ate my own portion and left his own for him. I did not eat it.
So who took my own? Who ate my own portion of bread?
How will I know? The next time you beat me again in this house, you see what I'll do to you. Just try Abuchi.
What will you do?
Come on, shut up. If you touch her, kita, you won't offend Nakula where we her kita. And you know what it means?
Mama, want this girl.
You can manuhuku.
Mama, one call you.
Will you shut up? Go out there and beat your mate. Go out there and fight your mate. Stupid boy.
You know guys, I can fight your mate.
What is your problem? Come and beat her.
Mama, what call you?
Don't well off and
It's only on my body that you have power. You not go outside and fight your mate.
You are still talking.
It's only on my body you have.
Shut up, Onuge Rike. Carry this square. Put a barrel and come to go.
Mama, on whose side are you there? Are you supporting Abuchi or supporting me?
I'm now. Support Abuchi, I'm supporting you. To be Allah. Go and try how much those places. Rice Mulelu go tata. Test and see rice. Everybody was rushing it. The money I saw, I was so happy to come and start taking my money. Obulu, two of you will be fighting. Useless children. Huh? What is your problem? Mama.
No, Mama, tell Abuchi to carry it. Tell him to carry it. I'm not carrying it.
Nkoli, I'll beat a lot of you. Come on, stop.
Nkoli, so you are still talking? Huh?
It's okay, please. I don't want it. I don't want it, please. I'm sick and tired of both of you. Huh? I saw you go where I would do.
Mama, it's okay. Come in. Where is Mama?
Come on, here.
Mama, Mama, did you say you finished?
I finished everything.
Hey. Mama. Baby girl, see, you see, in this village, you are the most beautiful girl in this village. See, I have searched everywhere. There is none as beautiful as you are.
Abuchi, please, just let me go. I am going an errand for my mother. So what is it? Let me just go. Please, I'm going.
Wait. Okay, give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. See, each time I see you, hey, I don't know how my body will just be doing me unimaginable. You just be doing it, I swear.
Okay, it's okay. So tell me, what is your body doing you?
Now you call. See, each time I see you, you will just be doing me like my whole body will just.
Mama. Hey. Where do you think you're going now?
Mama, good afternoon.
You're going?
Mama, good afternoon.
Hold your breathing. What are you doing with this man here? Mama, nothing. He was just... Wait. Asking you what? Asking you what, Joy? Joy, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Get him Maggie, Joy. Get him Maggie. Eh? Mama, you didn't do anything. Where's the medicine I asked you to go and buy for your brother? I'm just going there to collect it. You're just going there to collect it? Yes, Mama. You're just going there to collect it? Joy. Mama. Mama. No, Mama.
Just imagine how this one just can't spoil this opportunity for me. Nah, all these women, I don't just know what their problem is. Will you marry your daughter? I'm greeting you saying, hold your greeting.
If I said I got my face here. I got my face here. If I said I got my face here. 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 I got my face here.
What is it? God. I will eat you. What is it now? Share up also. Not forget to see zero more never. Too quickly.
Abuchi, where did you get these mangoes from?
What kind of stupid and useless question is that? Huh?
Abuchi, I know why I'm asking you. I know why I am asking you.
Hey. Mwana wakakwa mnona o. Mwenkata na mwana kwa no sense. What an impetus. Nkwale. Okay. Yakwa. Mwana mama kwa boya nona. Mama kwa boya. Igwa data ato ya nona.
Come stay up, boss. Stay up, boss. Una po kiti John eba.
Mama takwa go.
Abuchi. Abuchi, why are you eating my mangoes?
I'm looking at Mikasanya. And who said this is your mango? Did they write your name here?
Abuchi, I'm asking you, why are you eating my mangoes?
Did they write? I'm calling. See.
Unoshi mango. Tabuku ongi na mango. Mango bukwage there.
Bring back that mango and keep it here.
Come and carry it now. Come and carry it.
Keep the mango here. Keep it here. No.
Unoshi mango. Afosa bukwage.
Nkole. Keep the mango here.
Come and carry mango.
Nkole, keep the mango here.
I will not keep it. Come and it's my mango.
At the count of 3. 1.
Hey! Hold it. Let me help you count it. 1, 2. Oyoshi mango. Just wait until mama. When mama comes back, you see if I'm not there.
Mbenkita na wona ha no shinsin. Mbenkita na wona no shinsin. Nkole, keep the mango here.
Beburu mango. Abuchi, you are a thief. Just wait until mama comes back. I'll tell mama how you stole my mangoes. Oyoshi mango.
Mwana wakam no now. Nkole na wakam no now.
Oyoshi mango. Yeah, beburu mango. Let our mango.
Oh God. Mama. Nkole. Nebu. Hey God. Nduri nwa me na ro. Nkole nweso. Nwa tato. Nkole nweso moral. Nya moral nkozi. Moral na Nkole enwego moral nuna. Buena canona.
Benson. You barged into my room without knocking. What do you want?
Wow. So it's now, what do you want? Gina, it's not a crime for me to come into your bedroom. Well, I was here last night and you were not in.
What? You came into my room last night? To do what? How dare... What has come over you, Benson? Don't you know that my husband is around?
Oh, please.
What is wrong with you?
Please, Gina. Don't give me that rubbish. You and I know very well that Richard's presence cannot change anything. You know that.
You know what? I don't want to argue with you. Just get out. Leave my room before my husband comes in. Just...
Good morning, Richard.
Hey, good morning. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure. Everything is fine.
Yes.
Actually, came to ask if Rex was set for school, so I could just drop him off for going to the shop.
It's okay, not to worry. I'll drop him off myself, okay?
All right, then I have to leave. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. All right. Okay. Take care. Okay. Take care. Yeah.
Here's what, I will be going to the bank to do some transactions, so it would be nice if my wife escorts me. But first we drop Rex. Sounds like a plan?
Yes, okay. Definitely.
I'll be waiting for you, okay?
Hey, oh brother.
Oh, Kedu.
Greetings.
Madoka.
How is your family?
Very well. Yours, Uncle?
Well, thank God.
Well, there's no pro in my family. You are good.
Okay.
Have you heard that Richard is back?
Eh? Richard is back.
He's back.
Hey! Eh? Richard is back. So you're telling me that Richard is in his house?
No. He's still in the city.
Oh, in the city?
Yes. He called last night. And he said we come by the weekend.
Oh, by the weekend?
Yeah.
I got you there. We'll wait for him. Of course. Because I know there will be a lot of motos and cattle.
You're the kind of person our brother Sonny.
Oh, of course. Don't
worry.
Don't
worry.
Yeah, Richard is back. Because there is a lot of things to drink and to eat. All waffles is like a medicine.
So, here we are with that. But first, let me ask you, do you know what a noun is?
Dad, that's so simple.
It's simple.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So tell me, what is a noun?
A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. Examples of a noun are John, school, and tree.
Good boy. All right, we'll go to another topic, okay? But first, are you ready for the other topic?
Yes, Daddy.
You're ready?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, let's go.
Good evening, Richard. Rex.
Hey, how was business today?
Well, business is fine as usual. Come in. Everything went well. Good evening. How are you?
Fine, Uncle. Daddy's helping me to do my assignment.
Wow, that's so beautiful. So I hope you're following up.
Yes, Uncle.
Okay. Okay, we go back to...
All right, but boy, come sit here. Okay. Now, we are going to go to words and their opposite. All right? Okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Words and opposites. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so the opposite of sit is
Stand.
back,
Front.
white,
Black.
up,
Down.
day,
is exactly what I'm saying. Thank God that Richard is back after so many years in overseas. He left this country before his son was born. I am going to try by every means necessary for him to assist me in my leaking roof. Because very soon, the rain will be here. But I have to be very careful about Nebet. Nebet is as good as hardened criminal. I must be careful. This time, I will spread my tentacles very well. Instead, I will go to Ezuruonye. That's what I'm going to do. Let me move ahead. Let me forge ahead. Forward ever.
Benson, what has come over you? Why are you doing this to me? I thought I begged you to stop coming into my bedroom. What are you doing here? Please leave.
Gina, you're asking me to leave?
Please go.
Gina, you are asking me to leave. The same bedroom I come to sleep with you when Richard was away. Right?
Benson, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please leave. Go. Don't touch me.
Let's stop this pretense, okay? Let's stop this. Gina, look. I know deep down your heart you still love me. Okay, I love you too. Let's kill this pretense and tell ourselves the truth. I love you. Okay.
Don't touch me. I don't love you. Leave me alone. I love my husband. Just go. Leave.
Rex. No. Go do your homework first. Go do your homework. Now.
Here.
Is this what you suffer? Rex is a handful.
Yes, he is.
Please. Have you seen Benson?
Eh?
Have you seen Benson?
Your brother? No. Have not seen him.
Okay. Well, anyways, I've searched for him everywhere. I couldn't see him. I even went to the boys' quarters.
Did you check his room?
Yeah, I did. But anyways, I want to have a nap because I have a Zoom meeting later. But please, when he comes back, tell him not to go anywhere. I really need to discuss something very important with him, okay?
Will do.
All right. Are you okay?
Why won't I be? I'm fine. I also want to take a nap.
Okay. You sure?
Yes.
All right. Okay, please, tell Benson not to go anywhere. All right?
Gina.
I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to hurt me. Oh.
Mom, is everything alright?
Yes, my baby. Everything is alright. Mom is fine.
Yes, Mom.
Now I'm going inside, okay?
My past is here to hurt me. No, who would believe me?
I overheard Richard telling you he would like to talk to me concerning the discussion you both had. What was he talking about? Gina, I am talking to you. What was he talking about? Gina! Gina, listen, you can't run away from me. Gina, you cannot run away from me. Gina. Gina.
What's wrong with this girl?
Baby, I just want you to know that all I have for you is true love. Baby, I just want you to know that all I have for you is unconditional love. It's unconditional love. Please don't throw me away.
My husband is waiting for you at the living room.
Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me. Don't throw me away. Don't abandon me. Unconditional love.
Hey.
You sent for me.
Of course I did. Now, why don't you share a glass of wine with me, huh?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
You're sure?
Very sure.
Okay. All right. I needed to talk to you, man to man, brother to brother. All right. In the past, you did complain about your business needing financial help. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. I did.
Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen. You need to make an estimate and tell me what it will take. I'll help you out with the money.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, brother.
You're welcome.
I do appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Again, to this effect, I need to tell you this too. You're not getting any younger. Come on. Forget the fact that you look young. Really. You need to have your own kids. All right? So, you need to settle down. I've decided to also do this. Buy you an apartment somewhere in town.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am overwhelmed right now. I don't even know what to say. Thank you.
It's okay. I mean,
Thank
what are
you.
brothers for? Huh? What are brothers for? Look, just, get yourself together. Put yourself together, all right? I mean, do you even ask a whole lot of questions and one more? Do you even have a fiance?
Yeah, I do. We've actually known each other for quite some time now.
Okay. Why don't you invite her over? Let's talk. Let's tangle. Let's reconcile events. Let me tell her one or two secrets about your childhood, eh?
Okay, I will.
Please.
I will.
Please.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
I need to know about this.
Onye nwe obi isi gị pụọ n'obi ya. Onye nwe akwụsịkwa gị rapụrụ isi akwụ ya. Rapụ m ka m kwụrụ ọnụ m. Ife ọsọ ya bụrụ n'ụwa aga m afọ isi ya. Rapụrụ m ka m kwụrụ ọnụ m. Ife ọsọ ya bụrụ aga m afọ isi ya.
Mama Joy girl.
Mama Abuchi. Hey, Nne Joy. Rice, Oko. Hey. Rice and beans, all the above. Fadama rice.
I'm not here for your rice and beans this morning. I'm not here for this rice. I beg you in the name of God, go and warn your son for me.
Over what? My son.
He should leave my daughter alone.
And go and tell your daughter to stay away from men. In order not to impregnate her. Have you ever talked about this before?
I've been warning your son severally over this. Please, tell him to leave my daughter alone.
But Mama Joy, we are friends, are we not? You've not discussed this before me. When you get to your house, tell that to your daughter. to close her ties, so that men will not impregnate her.
Mama Abuchi, you don't have to blame me over this. And if you don't know how to talk to your son, I know what to do. What will you do? You better get home and talk to him.
And get to your house and talk to your daughter.
Talk to your son.
Talk to your daughter.
Talk to your son. You should leave my daughter alone. My day for me.
Let her stay on her own. You want to spoil my money? My beautiful money. Why should this man talk to me this weekend? Why should they say good money? We have been friends. After I didn't get a water, after I moved. Oh, your rice. Rice so powerful. Rice this too. All the hot. Fadama rice. Basmati rice.
If I said I got my fish here, no dinner, I got my fish here. If I said I got my fish here, 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 I got my fish here.
Mama, no. Mama, you came back early today.
Hey, Ellen Mugogo. Today.
Quoi?
Everything is finished now.
Hey, Nemo.
Hey.
Hey, Mama.
Rice all over, man calling. All why everybody was calling. Give me my own, give me my own. Where is your brother Abuchi?
Mama, he's inside though.
Doing what?
Mama? Mama? No.
My dear, how are you?
Mama.
Abuchi, please come. What do you have in common with Joy? Her mother saw me on the way today. She gave me the final embarrassment.
Joy.
Yes, Imaho Joy.
Who is Joy?
Hi. You're asking me who is Joy? Imaho's Joy.
Mama, see, I don't understand this your question though. I don't understand it.
You don't know who Joy is? Imaho Joy. You want me to draw her for you? Her mother said, Hapulu ya nwaya, hapulu ya. Oh yes, she hapulu here, hapulu here. Leave that girl alone.
Mama.
Oh yeah, we here, she hapulu here.
Mama, forget about that woman. Eh? Will she marry her daughter?
Are you going to marry her daughter? In Nigeria? Just imagine. You are going to marry her daughter. Leave that girl alone.
Mama, see, let me tell you. You have no business with that woman. Yeah? Ojiroku, leave her.
Abuchi, listen to what Mama is telling you. I do not know what you see in that girl. Gina Sorari Joy Nike Dikeh me. Fear what?
Nkoli, if I slap you.
Nkoli, if I it's okay. If I slap you.
Mama, it's
okay, she's your sister.
Mama, what are you doing? You don't respect no respect for me again.
It's okay, come look here. Mwage Joy. Mwage, Maya Joy. Kaifu.
Mama, leave those people. You don't have any business with that woman.
Leave her daughter for her.
You won't marry her.
You talk too much. Your senior brother, look, the day he will descend on you, I might not be around to save you.
Mama, he cannot do anything.
Okay? It's so bad. You are the one to cry.
I'm not crying. No. That day that I cried was because you left only bread. I did not eat food. Okay. That's why I cried.
Okay. That day it will be water alone that you will drink, and he will beat you very well. If I for bread, stupid girl. Because go and start washing those plates that I came back with. If me go Kizog, let me check my money.
Yeah. Nemo.
Go and wash that plate and come back. Oh, hey. Also not Joy. My Joy wait barikatam bariam karai.
Onye wubisi bonubia. Onye wakusikwa kira polisi akuya. Rapumo kampulono. Ifoso nyapolono agama fisia.
Daddy is here. Darling.
Hi, honey. Rex.
What's up, Rexy? How are you?
Fine, Dad.
Good.
So, why did you take so long? Any problem?
No problems at all. I mean, we did discuss a whole lot of things, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what was his reaction when you told him that you'd be getting a new apartment for him?
Came to him as a surprise. He was quite happy, though. Don't you tell me that, he had a fiancé?
He said that?
Yes, and he said they've been dating for quite some time. So I told him to invite her over. Let's have dinner, lunch, I need to know the lady he's getting married to.
Good idea.
Yeah. So, mister.
Yes, mister.
You have been taking too much time from my wife, okay? I need you to recognize this, okay? She might be your mom, but she's my wife.
Oh no, she's mine.
She's yours.
Yeah, she's mine. Oh.
Please, she's my wife.
No, she's mine. She's mine.
Look, this is my wife.
No.
This is my wife.
No, Dad, no.
Why should Richard think of getting an apartment for me when I have not complained of being inconvenienced here? Gina must have initiated that idea.
What did you discuss with my husband last night?
Is that supposed to be your kind of good morning?
Good morning, my foot. Answer my question. And who is the fiancé you told my husband about? Benson, I am not smiling with you. Answer my question now.
I have no reason to answer such a silly question, because you know the answer to that. No man, mark my words, Gina, no man can ever take you away from me. Not even Richard.
Well, I am glad that in no distant time you will find your way out of this house. I will not have you destroy my marriage.
Sorry to disappoint you, Gina. I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving this house. I will remain here until I am able to either build or buy myself a house with my own money. Get that into your head.
You're kidding.
When the time comes, Gina, we'll know who is kidding. I cannot continue to be a coward.
Abuchi, let me try. Abuchi will kill you. You are mad. You don't know that. I'm an ex-convict.
Okay, now I've See, I'm the man. Eh?
Yes, you're the man.
No, say I'm the man.
You are the man.
Say I'm your man.
You are my man.
Call me your chairman.
My chairman.
Call me your boss.
My boss.
Say it again, your boss.
My boss.
I'm your boss. Yes. Can't you recognize the sense of privacy between husband and wife?
I just can't take this anymore.
Can't take what?
Gina is mine, and I've come to take her away.
You sick.
Richard, I'm not. Richard, I said I am not. I am not living here without Gina.
Are you mad? Have you gone bonkers? Something wrong with you?
Richard, nothing is wrong with me. I am going to stab you to death if you dare try to resist me.
Richard, what's coming to you? What's the meaning of this?
I said if you...
No! Richie, what's going on? Are you okay? Richie. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, I'm fine. When did you come back?
Are you sure you're okay? You were shouting in your sleep.
I'm fine.
You're sure?
As you can see, I'm fine. When did you come back?
I'm just coming in.
Okay.
You sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Okay. On my way back, I went to Benson's shop and I brought up the topic about buying him the apartment.
Yeah.
He said I shouldn't bother. That he's comfortable staying here.
Did you accept that?
What was I to do? Force him? No, I mean, he's my brother. If he wants to stay here, let him stay here. Besides, I'm comfortable with the man being here also when I'm not around.
Oh, okay, yes, fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
After all, he's your brother.
I mean, come on, yeah. There's nothing to it. I mean, if he says he wants to stay, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. All right? It's okay. All right, let me go freshen up, okay? Let me go freshen up, all right? And, yeah, remind us, tomorrow we'll be going to the village with Benson to go see Auntie Joma, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll be back, okay?
I'll be with you soon.
Yeah.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me. My past is here to haunt me. No.
Hey, Mama, I am surprised though. So he has been around all this while.
He even called yesterday and said that he's going to visit us tomorrow with his family. Hey! Honestly.
Mama, I am very happy for Uncle.
Yes.
I am very happy.
I thank God.
And I even heard that he built a very big house in the city.
Honestly, I am happy that my sister's son is doing very well. He's now a rich man. Even Benson as well. He's doing well in his business. What is going on?
What is that?
Mama, come here.
Who's pursuing you? What is it?
Where's that little? Come back here! Come back here!
What is it?
Mama! Tell them to come out! Tell that idiot to come out here! Come boy and go on that wala!
You call my son idiot before me. Are you okay?
Mama?
Are you... okay? Eh?
Mama, you're not about to Abuchi defense. Where? You're not about to Abuchi defense. Abuchi! No problem. I'm going to attack. No problem. I will come back for you, Abuchi. I will come back for you. No problem.
Hey! You see, Rod? After he might have gone. Come on,
Woo!
You are just running away from that small boy of yesterday.
Come on, Udonna was chasing you with a stick and you were running. If it is me now, Abuchi, you will have power. You will just develop muscle from everywhere and start beating me.
Okay, from Gajan Njinaka. I'm from Udonna.
it was so me way. Okay, it was so me way. We are Kupogi say back it.
Come and cook for your sister. Hey. Who don't know if yesterday you were just rolling like that.
Mama.
Get to make you come not that.
Mama, you see that boy? Okay, I will get him. I will get him.
You should go and keep my spoon for me.
Who
would believe me? Who would believe me? Who will hear my side of stories?
He has refused to pick my calls. He left here since afternoon and no one knows his whereabouts.
Baby, I just want you to know that all I have for you is true love.
Gina. What? Gina, I'm sorry. Okay, I am sorry about everything that happened. I am sorry. Please, just that I just can't watch you slip away.
Stop.
Gina, please. Open up to Richard and tell him the truth.
Stop! Benson, stop! Stop talking to me! I hate you! Go away from me, please!
Gina. Gina.